How to apply for Walmart jobs online. I've just Google search for Walmart jobs online apply, and you want to go to this website careers.walmart.com. Click on it and it's going to look a little something like this. Now you will be able to search jobs right here, and you can either type in a job title or keyword, but what I suggest doing is just putting in your address here or the state you are located in and clicking on the magnifying glass. Now this is going to show you the available positions, so you can click on either position here. If you read through the information here, such as what it can provide you, and it sounds good, you can proceed and click on apply. Now it's going to take us to the center here for the job applications on Walmart. You want to toggle this and click on continue. Now, if you are a new candidate, you will just click on search for jobs. If you already have an account, you can log in, but we're just gonna click on search for jobs. Now you want to enter your zip code or city or state. I'm just gonna type in Texas here and choose my location and use the search bar. Now it's gonna show us 3 locations for that specific city. You can choose whichever one you want to apply to, and then if you want to apply to multiple, you can also toggle the multiple locations here, and we'll click on continue. Now it's going to show us all of the available positions or openings, and you can apply to multiple as well. So auto care center service manager, it shows you the pay. If we want to apply to this, we'll select it, as well as a daily bakery team associate. If you want to apply to that, you will also select it, and you can check any of these that you want to actually apply to. Afterwards, we'll click on continue. Now, what type of employment are you looking for? You can do full-time, part-time, or temporary. And the shifts here, you can choose the shifts which you want to work and what specific hours can you work. If you're open to any hours, you can toggle this option, and if you're only available for to work certain hours, here you can provide that info, but we're just going to toggle I'm open to working any hours. Click on continue. It is then going to ask you to create an account, so you'll need to put in your email, password, what's your preferred language of communication, as well as your mobile number. And afterwards, you just create the account. You need to go through the prompts, and you will have applied for those specific positions or openings that we selected previously. And you can check all of your info here on your account, such as whether you've been accepted, so on and so forth. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.